Could you tell me a little bit about yourself and your company?
Yeah. So my name is Raj Anup. I'm basically co-founder at Kargar, and Kargar is a technology climate tech startup. We started in 2019. So we are into the space of electric vehicle charging and energy solutions for charging electric vehicles. We are solving the problem of charging infrastructure and creating a next level of convenience and reliability to the end users and faster adoption of electric vehicles. So Kargar is doing that.
And how big is the market that you're chasing right now?
We have approximately 210,000 electric four-wheelers running on the road today. But we are anticipating in 2 years or let's say 5 years down the line, we can see approximately 10 lakh vehicles, electric four-wheelers would be sold in a year of time. So that translates to 76 gigawatt hour of electricity demand for charging electric four-wheelers in a day.
And what makes your company so different that the investors here today might want to fund you?
So, see, we are basically working on the fundamental. We are working on, easing the process of charging electric vehicles. Currently, if you see, the utilization of these charging assets are the biggest problem of anybody. Chargement operators are struggling, the OEMs are struggling, the end users are struggling. As an organization, we are, matching the demand and supply with a better utilization and better accessibility for the end users and reducing the setup cost of these charging infrastructure like anything. So what USP which we bring, we have created India's first portable DC fast charging technology and world first 120 kilowatt super fast charging technology in 100% off-grid format, so that any location can become a charging location in zero time. So we've created a technology platform out of it which is patented and granted patent, and that's how we are going to solve it. And lesser charging assets can deliver the same amount of energy with Kargar.
And there's multiple sectors in climate tech, right? So why did you choose EV?
So if I can tell you, this is my second startup venture. Started my career with the electric vehicle drivetrain only. So I have a 9+ years of experience. So I started my first company in electric vehicle drivetrain platform for the passenger vehicle segment vehicles. And then after being into that, I understanding what are the fundamental challenges for electric vehicles or end users will be having today and tomorrow. That helped me to translate the entire problem statement to solve it for charging infrastructure, like how the users are going to charge their electric vehicles. That is the most fundamental thing which I personally believe in the EV industry to grow.
What do you do in your day-to-day life for the environment?
As a activity, if you can ask, like apart from Kargar, I basically work with certain government organizations, like the government organizations who are working on sustainability and all. So making them a roadmap for green transformation, road transportation. So I'm working on that as well as, and for a regular basis, if I can just tell you, I work on. I love technology. I love technology and business out of it. So I read about things.
Is there anything that you want to say or conclude?
Not actually, but world is the space is going bigger day by day. We'll just congratulate everyone in the ecosystem to putting their each step forward to solve the real problem, and it's a collaborative effort for making entire industry to be working, and it cannot be done by one person or two person. It is a collaborative effort. I rather believe in collaborating rather competing. So that's the thing I would like to tell.
Thank you so much.